we will be doing 3 sets of 5 different exercises designed to help you build nitric oxide and to be easy on your joints if you're over 50 or suffering from joint pain in any way. The first set we'll do is on health. So I want you to picture one thing you would like to improve for your health. And listen for the gongs. Squeeze your glutes down, squeeze your glutes up. Press your feet down as you squat. Press your feet down as you stand up.
Work. 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Press the gratitude for your health. Press the chi up, bending and unbending the elbows. Press it up. Chi is the heaviest thing on earth. Press.
Three, 2, 1.
Put your left foot forward and take action. Make circles with your elbows. Move your elbows really fast like a choo-choo train. That's it. Go, go. If your butt's not moving, your elbows aren't moving fast enough. Bringing that future vision of your perfect health into the present moment.
3, 2, 1.
And reach down, letting go.
Throwing sand at the rainbow.
Your highest good related to your
Throwing
health.
sand at the
Letting
rainbow.
go of all those things that didn't work or you think didn't work in the past, and letting it all go. Releasing what no longer serves your highest good for your health at this time.
3, 2, 1.
Receiving support for your health from expected and unexpected places. A big tap on the shoulders and open wide. Opening up the top of the rib cage. Hard tap and then open wide.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Now we'll take a 30-second rest. You want to breathe, inhaling in through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. You want to go at a pace that's just right for you. You want to do enough work that you use up some oxygen, but not too much that you're out of breath. You have to find exactly that Goldilocks moment where it's just the right amount of effort. This next series is on abundance.
2,
So ready?
1.
Squat for abundance. That's it. Squeeze the glutes. Get the glutes involved. It's not all hamstrings. Use your glutes. It's that imbalance between the hamstrings and the glutes that can really throw off your knees and knee pain.
3, 2, 1.
Gratitude for your abundance. Press up the chi. Unbend the elbows and bend the elbows all the way. Gratitude if you have a roof over your head.
3, 2, 1.
Taking action. Imagine that future perfect amount of abundance. You have more money than you can spend. You can give. You have enough money to give plenty to all the charities that you love and care about. Picture that perfect amount of abundance.
3, 2, 1.
those old stories of there isn't enough, you're not enough, letting it all go, releasing what no longer serves your highest good regarding your abundance.
Three, two, one.
Seeking support from your abundance in expected and unexpected places.
Three, two,
Oh,
one.
we done?
Rest base.
Oh, I'm not doing another set. You've got to
Relax.
go on bloody
Heart rate
straight.
back to relax. The next series is on relationships.
Why do you want three of
Pick
exactly
one
the same?
relationship that you would like to focus on and have it heal better. Get ready
Three,
for squats.
two, one.
Squats for your relationship. Squeeze those glutes. Press those feet down.
Three, two, one.
Gratitude for your relationship. Think of one more thing that you're grateful for.
Three, two, one.
Left foot forward, picturing that perfect relationship. Imagine this future vision of you smiling, you're both smiling. And how awesome that would be. Bringing that future vision into the present.
Three, two, one.
Letting go of everything regarding that relationship from the past. Letting it all go. Any hurts, any betrayals, any pain. Letting it all go. You don't need to hold on to that.
Three, two, one.
Receiving support from expected and unexpected places for your relationship. Allowing yourself to receive.
Three, two, one.
And congratulations, you finished one series of nitric oxide, energetic nitric oxide. Do this 3 times a week. It will really help you boost your vibrancy, your health. Give it a try. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Please like and share this with someone whose mobility has been restrained and they could really benefit from this exercise. And that might be you. Have a great day.